It's me back with another video. Today we're taping hockey stick, but it's not the blade, it's the tip. So it's the tip up here. So yeah guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let's get taping on this thing. Here, let me just move these out of the way. Just like that. That's more better. Alright, one sec. Let me grab my scissors. I don't know if you guys can hear. Got the scissors. Alrighty guys. This is my CCM OCTO. I'm saying how I tape my tip or whatever it's called. Top. But wait, I need my white one too. Jeez. There you go. But take this off. I put this white tape stuff because I put that thingy there. Well, it's gone, but yeah. Alright, now it's this. If you guys hear the music, I'm watching MIG mapping. He's just starting his stream up, so yeah. It's so sticky. That's probably what happens if you don't do it proper and take it off once in a blue moon. But that's good for me because I know where to tape it from then. What kind of, I know this is affection, but affection. Whatever. I don't care about that player. I never liked him. Jesus. This is so hard, man. There, got the top off. Look at that. Turn up the volume because she will be loud now. Where's the? I don't know. I'm not positive, you guys, but that's what I think. Jeez, man. I'll be doing it on my Easton one too. Like my Easton one that I don't like, Easton sticks. Like this boy. You don't believe me? Ah, yeah. Right there. So, yeah. Alright, this is how I did it. Now, you will want the tape, right? No, this is the one for the tip here. So let's do this. See, for the tip. So this is the beginning. Yeah, it should be behind the stick blade. So this is behind the stick blade right here. There. And then just keep on going along the end. Huh? But I don't know why it got twisted. I don't know why it got twisted, but so just nicely keep on going around here to like mine is like 10 rolls. So I only have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. 10. Alright, I have 10 out. And snip that off. And if you don't want that there, just grab a piece of tape like this and put it nicely right there, like that. There, got that in. I will just grab another one. Another one right here. Cause this one's for the tip here, so I don't really need this one. This one is for the roll thing. So tape from the back. It's been a long time since I do this, but it's whatever.
Hello, people.
Let me turn down him.
How's it going, YouTube? What's up, punks and nerds? Just getting some updates on my dog here. He's at the vet, so I might be checking on my phone here.
Just like this.
I saw Random was streaming on YouTube. I thought that was pretty cool. Good for him.
Just keep on going
I
down.
think. I feel like YouTube gives us more. Do I have to ask for permission to use objects like sheds and such from other maps? Unless the person gets really upset about it, probably not. I think, like, it's kind of fair game. I mean, you should credit them, do your best to credit them.
Keep going.
When you release the map, but it's hard to keep track of everything that you're using. So it's not a huge deal.
And then just, when you reach to the end, just leave a little bit of space where you want to put white tape.
You can go that extra mile and...
So,
I'm going to delete this whole
do this, like,
this whole cattle pen.
2 times.
You don't want to delete all of it, just want to delete the barn.
Just like this. 2 times right here.
How are you guys doing? Oh, pretty good.
And then
pretty alright day, pretty chill day. Would you be in trouble if you put it on Mod Hub? If you're
There we
putting it
go.
on Mod Hub, like for consoles, yeah,
Like
you'd
that.
be in trouble. You should
2
only
times
get permission if you're getting
round
that.
that bottom, and then now, special technique if you want to put a number whenever you
There we go.
become a hockey player, use white tape, but you don't have to do it.
I need to delete this.
This is at
So
the
yeah,
beginning.
pretty
Okay.
relaxing day.
So
Nothing too
from
major.
behind,
Worked on Simon
then-
Valley Farms. Got pretty much all the animals put in. I probably have like 1 pen left.
and then do that. Okay.
Hold on. My dog has arthritis.
There we
Feel
go.
bad for the guy.
Keep
My poor dog.
like
He's
that.
got arthritis in his hip and his paw. That poor guy.
There we go. That's how we do it. That's how I take my tip, you guys. That's how I take my tip right here.
People streaming, dude.
I usually put my number here.
People streaming.
I usually put my number there.
So,
I don't feel like
I'm
doing it
not-
right
I'm
now.
not surprised.
Might as well do it. So,
How old is my dog? My dog is
Sharpie.
10? I got him in
And then you put a
2012
number
when he was
here.
returned to
So-
in January of 2013. Oh wait, is he?
There we
oh,
go.
Yeah, okay, so he was 2. Sorry. That's
Put
the
my number.
He was 2 January 2013
That is how
plus 8
we
years.
tape our
That's
tips.
10.
If you guys have
Yeah.
any
He's a big guy
subscriptions,
too. I had him for
whatever,
a long
what I
time.
just
had him
said
in
there.
college.
If you guys have anything what I should do for the summertime, there'll be some banger videos coming this summer. So hope you guys will enjoy my
Alright,
summertime.
Let's get some chill music going and let's work on this. Let's
This
punch
is
out
how
this
we
map.
tape my tip here. I'll
He's
do the
pretty old,
blade
yeah.
again. Because
My
look at
boy.
that. It's
He's
coming
actually
apart.
Pretty awesome
So,
for how old he is.
yeah guys,
No,
that's how I,
he's 10.
like, I'll have to tape this again.
Yeah.
So, probably tomorrow I'll be doing this again. Taping my hockey stick. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I was shooting outside basically all day, but I was studying and all that for my tests on school. So, yeah, guys, I'll be doing this tomorrow. Sorry this video will come out late. I was enjoying the nice weather outside, shooting without no video. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in my next YouTube video for another bang one. Links are in the description down below. My Discord server. Go join my Discord server. Will be in the link in the description down below. And yeah, this is how I taped mine. If you guys don't want to tape how I tape my hockey stick, I'll put a guy who I watch that lives in Sweden. He has an accent, and he showed us how he tapes his blade and his tip or whatever it's called, blade or whatever. I don't know what it's called at the top here. I might just how to tape the tip. I'll probably do that how I tape my tip of the hockey stick. So that's probably what I'm gonna call it, but I'll see what he calls it first, and then I'll do it. See how I tape the tip or whatever it's called. He calls this a toe. I think this is the toe. I don't know. It probably is a toe. I don't know. I don't know what this is called. The tip or whatever. Or toe. I don't know. But hey guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in my next YouTube video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's way better than the videos I have on my chair. Taping my stick is probably way better when I'm having it on here. So, yeah guys. See you guys in the next hockey video. See you guys in the next one for another big one. MRG's YouTube channel will be in a link in the description down below. Hit that like button, share, comment down below. Woo. Don't want to break my tip now. Don't want to break my blade. Guys, it's almost... Look at that. Look at this. Blade. Right there. Look at that. That will snap any second now. I don't know when it will snap. Maybe the few years. But yeah, guys, have a wonderful day, you guys. And yeah, see you guys in the next one for another big one. Yeah, I don't know if I want to keep this new intro what I have, or yeah. I'm saving all my videos for 2020.
Dude, that's kind of scaring me a little bit, dude.
2 years of videos, of old videos, and they'll be all together. So it'll be like probably 2 hours or 1 hour of the YouTube video. So yeah, guys, it'll be so weird. But yeah, see you guys at the end of my see you guys later, and see you guys tomorrow if I do a hockey shooting video. I don't know if I will. I might do my taping my blade again. I don't know, you guys, but go follow Lundqvist if you guys know him. He's a favorite. He's my favorite YouTuber. He has like way more subscribers than me when he does hockey videos. So yeah, he has good editing like me almost, but it's different. But yeah, guys, I'll be making banger videos when I'm bike riding. I'll be having one hand with my recording with a little bit, like 10 seconds or whatever, and then when I head to my friend's place, we'll be making a YouTube video, maybe a hide and seek video in the forests, in the bushes or whatever. Ding dong ditch. I don't know, you guys. But yeah, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Links in the description. Like, comment, share, and do all that good shenanigans. Let's try to hit 400 subscribers by the end of April, by after March. So yeah, guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. I didn't even notice it was St. Patrick's Day today. I thought it was not. I didn't even know it was St. Patrick's Day. It's kind of sad, but yeah, guys, peace out, everyone. And yeah, that's how I tape my hockey blade. Tip or whatever it's called. I'll search it up how he caught it with this. It's whatever, but yeah, guys, peace out. Have a wonderful time, evening. If you guys will watch it this evening, good. If you guys don't have to watch my YouTube videos, but it's good for content. I'm posting more and more, and good content coming lately. Good content will come, guys. So in the summertime, hope you guys will enjoy that. See you guys in my next one for another bang one. And yeah, sorry, I might cut that whole other piece out, but yeah, peace out, everyone. Peace.